Good afternoon, everyone. We are here at Rainforest Cafe at Disney Springs. We haven't been here in a long time. Kids have ever actually even eaten here. So we're going to take them to go have some lunch and show off some new merchandise that we got today. And hopefully we're going to see if this volcano erupts or not. Yeah. Is that scary? No? Yeah, there is Dory in the tank. Isn't that cool? They can swim from either side. Oh wow! They keep...
There's Dory!
There's Dory!
Let's see if I can find Nemo.
You have like little tunnels. It's so cool. What'd you get today? What'd you get today? Huh? What'd you get? A shoulder mushu? Oh, you giving me hugs? It's a weird looking fish.
So we're coming over here to the gorilla. Let's come see the gorilla. Hello? Hello? You awake? Oh, here he is. He gets above his head. Whoa. Let's go to fishes. Some fishies. What, sand?
Oh, look over here. It's raining. Can those eat you? No, they only eat plants. Look at the little baby one.
It's so cool.
It's like the most comfy booth in all of Walt Disney World. This thing is so comfy. The music choice doesn't really fit Rainforest Cafe. Taylor Swift, Welcome to New York, when you walk into a rainforest, makes no sense.
I thought I remember it to be like jungle sounds.
Maybe they changed it. We are under a giant mushroom. That's kind of cool. To eat. Apple juice, what'd you get to eat?
Pizza.
Pizza? What'd you get?
Pizza.
What'd you get?
Quesadilla. I can't remember that.
And I got cheese sticks, I think, or chicken strips, I think. It's gonna be yummy. And it's got really dark all of a sudden. similar to what they do at T-Rex with the meteorite. You're right. This restaurant is owned by the same people that own dinosaurs. Well, it's very similar. Except the fact that when you're watching the dinosaurs, they're all dying versus just rain happening in Rainforest Cafe. They now have a shoulder mushu that you can buy where you just pop him on your shoulder, kind of like a shoulder pork. He is so cute. And this wishable Space Mountain edition. We thought it was the dog, but it was Minnie. That's okay, because we like to collect the whole series. So now Minnie come home with us. She loves you. Oh! With the fried pickles. They are really good. With a jalapeno ranch. Honestly, and I'm so surprised I'm saying this, these might be the best fried pickles I've had at Disney World. They're really good. Ooh, chicken, fries, pizza, quesadilla, Holly, Britton, Bentley, me, chicken, buffalo sauce, Minnie, Mushu, Coca-Cola, this phone case. So I'd probably rate Rainforest Cafe like a B+, B-. Service was really bad. But we're now in Goofy's Candy Company getting dessert. So let's find some dessert. I love these. These are hard to find. They're like mango pieces. So good. Which one do you want? I love those chocolate chip cookies. That Goofy one is so cute.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Oh, something pink? No way. What'd you get, dude? Yum. This is pretty cool. You can make your own treat. With the apples, crispy treats, marshmallow, or gingerbread. I've never looked better. Oh, I like that. It looks like I have my shirt all the way down. Yeah. Oh. Oh. It's not that awkward. That's really bad. It's hilarious. My stupid legs. What did you guys think of Rainforest Cafe? What did you think? Did you like it? Alright everyone, that's going to do it right now from Disney Springs. We are going to Mardi Gras later tonight, so there will be a part 2 to this video. It will be a very different part 2. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Hit like, comment down below, and subscribe as well. We'll see you guys next time. Later for the video. Always.